We're tracking the tropics. Tropical storm Barry has formed over the Gulf waters. I'm meteorologist Jennifer Correa with an update on the tropics. And as of 11 a.m. advisory, it has definitely gathered some better organization. It has strengthened to a tropical storm. This is what it looks like on satellite. There's convection happening near the center, and it's still broad circulation, but it is moving over very warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico, and this is what's going to help it to further intensify. Here's a look at the 11 a.m. advisory. Maximum sustained winds at 40 miles per hour. Location, right now the center is located about 200 miles southeast of Morgan City, Louisiana. Here's a look at the forecast cone. Don't just focus on the center, focus on the whole cone. So this, of course, is a threat for Louisiana. Louisiana right in its path. By Saturday morning, a Category 1 hurricane making landfall in Louisiana, and then continuing to move on northward, eventually turning towards the northeastern direction by early next week as it does get picked up by a front. By then, it's going to be probably a remnant low, but plenty of rain will cause flooding up through the mid-Mississippi River Valley states. Now, for Louisiana and the southern states along the Gulf Coast, here's a look at the tropical storm force wind speed probabilities. So now that the system has strengthened a little bit more, you can see that the highest threat for tropical storm force winds lies right along the coast in Louisiana, southeastern areas, and the south central part of the state. That's in red and in purple colors. As far as watches and warnings, well, right now hurricane watch is in effect for southern Louisiana. In the blue you see right there tropical storm watch. That includes New Orleans. So with a hurricane, if it's a Category 1, expect wind speeds, maximum sustained wind speeds of 74 miles per hour, higher than that. Storm surge warnings and watches, 3 to 6 feet of storm surge could impact the coast, along with significant rainfall, 10 to 15 inches and locally 20 inches. And this is in addition to what's already fallen with those outer rain bands swinging through the Gulf Coast. How does this impact us? Well, we have southerly flow because we're on the eastern side of the system, far east, but still a lot of tropical moisture extending outward. And because of southerly flow, there's going to be moisture being driven from the Caribbean. So Thursday, Friday, expect some thunderstorms, and they're going to be heavy at times. Then a patch of drier air is going to bring us more sunshine through the weekend, along with an ocean breeze that will push most of those showers and storms out towards the west coast. So for the weekend here in South Florida, not too bad. It looks nice out there, even early next week. Stay tuned to CBS 4 or head to cbsmiami.com for the latest on the tropics and on Tropical Storm Barry.